It's Gold Hill Trailhead on Gateway and Highway 9 right outside Breckenridge. This is what it looks like. There is segment 7. Alright, we're starting segment 7, Colorado Trail. So I met another hiker coming down. Confirmed we've got 3.8 to the water from the trailhead. We're at about 3.8 miles in. A really nice stream. And it's getting close to noon. So we are gonna park here and have lunch. Right after we cross the stream, the one where we stopped to eat is a place to pitch a tent. And another one right up here. There's also partial shelter built. Oh, he's fanning me. It feels good. Check out our campsite. So it's mid-afternoon. We already did our hike, got camp set up, got a smoothie in the river chilling for us. Alec is taking a nap, and I'm just out playing. I'll probably take a nap soon too. It's wonderful out here. Alright, we're losing sunlight. We just finished up supper by this nice stream. There was a fire ban, so we couldn't do a fire. Now we're just getting packed up and ready for bed. Here's the tent.